Hi, 10th grade U.S. history people. All right, so most of us are doing an excellent job, but as I promised on Monday, today is going to be a day kind of to get caught up for some of you. So the only thing that's assigned is to complete the May 13th due now assignment, and that is due today, Wednesday, May 13th. There is no new assignment, but you will see a couple new extra credit opportunities that you could complete. You can see the assignments lists at this point. You should have completed the civil rights court cases assignment. You should have read and answered the questions to the Little Rock 9 reading. You should have watched the Emmett Till video assignment. And you should complete the protesting assignment by the end of today. Nothing new assigned for Friday, but again, take advantage of it, some of you, and do some extra credit. All right. Have a great day.